Candlestick patterns. A candlestick chart is a style to describe financial price movement. Each candlestick shows 1 day or 1 month or whichever style you pick, because in all softwares you can change it from 1 day to 1 week to 1 month to 1 quarter, and from the lowest point of, let's say, 10 minutes to 30 minutes to 5 minutes or 1 minute. So you can change it accordingly. Patterns are formed in candlestick charts that foretells what the future holds. So it's not something ordinary, it's something extraordinary. It's these patterns that makes candlestick chart lethal. In this course, as we go further down, you will see I'll show you how to trade, and then you will understand how these patterns gains importance. You will see doji candles, you will see engulfing bullish candles, you will see 3 soldiers, you will see 3 black crows. So you'll understand what each and every pattern means and how strong they are. Initially, candlestick charts had only 2 colors, but now in modern softwares, more colors are added. That's why you will see I'm telling about black and white candles, and then I will be showing on charts that those black candles are like red candles and those white candles are green candles, because green means up and red means down. Why am I showing them in 2 colors? Because in some software they only show black and white, and in others they show in modern colors. In candlestick chart pattern, you will hear words like black, red or white, green candles, which means red means down, green means up. So that's what candlestick patterns is, and I am head sure that you will enjoy this course. Thank you.